So this looks a lot newer and larger than the other one in Storey Park, the main part. The pool's coming right along. Cabana. Workout room. So this workout room's going to be empty, so I'll be able to take a look at it. Alright, so this is going to be the entrance to the lazy river. The Cabana Pavilion. So it's a kind of a smaller lazy river. No mini golf in the middle, but instead they've got a playground. That's pretty cool. Or a pirate ship. Okay, they can have some cabanas all the way around. We've got a basketball court over here. Possibly a putting green, not sure. And this whole section here is a gym. Looks like they're gonna have a bunch of free weights in there. Super nice. And let's see, it's like a business center in here.